Look how cute this is. It's a lot. Good morning. It is Saturday. I forgot to start. Well, I filmed 2 little clips in Walmart yesterday, but other than that, I didn't start the weekend vlog. Hopefully I do something interesting today. Didn't end up going to the mall yesterday. Maybe we'll go today. We will kind of see what's going on. I just wanted to actually formally start this. Good morning. I'm starting today off in the same shirt as yesterday. After I filmed those couple of clips, I changed. So I just put this back on for bed last night. But yesterday it was brought to my attention that my YouTube comments were turned off when I never turned them off. So I looked into that, and then it has to do with the new laws that they're doing. If you set your videos as made for kids, then all comments and everything will be disabled. So I went back a pretty good amount and changed it to made not for kids, but not to restrict my videos to people over 18. So hopefully that fixed it. I still have I have to do all my videos on my channel, but I think I'm just gonna set my channel to that so I don't have to do it in the future and it changes everything. But I'm gonna need to get on the computer for that, so I'm gonna have to wait till my dad gets off of work today. Just thought that I would share. All right, I look a hot mess. This is the outfit of the day. Same shirt, and then just some sweat shorts. Hey guys, it's Sunday night, September 6th. I have a towel on. I just got out of the shower. I'm not really nervous, but I'm anxious. If that makes any sense, tomorrow's the day we go in for the hospital. I think I will do a labor and delivery vlog, like I said. I don't know why I just did that, but I'm gonna pack in this vlog. I had everything packed that we needed to wear, what we had packed, and then everything we had packed for little man. They measured him at 8 pounds and some ounces, so he's not really gonna be able to fit newborn stuff. He's gonna be a chunky little man, so we had to repack his stuff too, but that's already done. I'm gonna go get dressed and probably do that now before I get comfortable and relax. I highly recommend these cookies. They look like that. They taste like pumpkin, but when my boyfriend first tasted them, he said that they tasted like a pumpkin oatmeal raisin cookie, and I definitely agree, but I still recommend.
I'll take it out. I'll take it out. They could fuck. This don't really use a poopy ass camera, bro. If it's a poopy camera, I mean, I I get dumped on anything. Like, it's fucking Zion. Hey, there we go. I like those. Oh, let's make it take it. Yeah, baby. Go.
Oh, I wish my hair was longer, but at the same time, it's still way longer than it usually is. Okay, so this is what I'm wearing in that flannel that I had on in the clip of showing my hair. But my mom braided my hair. I don't know why, but I love my hair braided. It kind of like, you know, shows off my jawline. But this is the bump. I'm trying to get it back to, there we go. And yeah, that's all I have for you for now. So, excuse me, I'm probably gonna vlog in this vlog a little bit longer and then start the labor and delivery vlog once we get to the hospital. That was a good breakfast.